Yeah. So everybody now started to say, hey, we need to shoot music videos. We need to start shooting music videos. And then Ngaela era somebody, when we dropped somebody, I think everybody now over quiet Venda by that time.
Yeah.
And yeah, could remember I could drop I think it was November, somewhere there. Like cancel and because vibe December no shika. So they cancel. And she cancel, then there was misunderstanding about what I Venda EP cancel. So out of nowhere, January.
And the Venda EP you shoot my blind.
Ngamanda.
Yeah.
I bought a car with it.
We're gonna get into it.
So what happened with the EP in January? Ndari Zulana Majito, I know guys. I think we should drop on stage 1. But okay, so if you're saying drop it, then drop it. Stores, type everything, cover, get it done, upload. Then stage 1 for the EPF. Yeah. And then the whole Venda was going crazy. Like somebody yes to kwami but kwamba nga 3 a.m. but kwamba nga Venda kwamba nga
I don't complain because I hate you.
Yeah.
Why you got me feeling like I hate you?
So January afira, February. I think February katin. Somebody posted a video ya kumukana kukuchina kala into ya samba ndaba ndo wapi kukuchina kula ukara.
Got the kaka TikTok ngangi.
It take off. Like
and then challenge on TikTok.
Challenge on TikTok was everything was just I didn't know what was happening. We shot na music video like shoot there was no planning.
Yeah.
We just went and shoot already.
Because you had to go with a trend.
Yeah, like let's just shoot as whatever that's going on. I shoot that thing yava. And then from there obokoda ndichunga chira bakutumuta contract na feel and all those stuff. That's a trauma. The first deal was on Venda EP. That was a 50-50 deal.
Yeah.
There was no contract down. I hit him up, but yo man, you're too quiet.
No.
You're too quiet. Ndichamba na yanga video call over Mike's kitchen apa Lois. Over Vana Zonzo.
Okay.
But yo man, even ngamba na Nelson the guy. The Mike's kitchen in the control na minami. But no, ndina plan ndina ezila ngimbo ndono zimwara zote. The chorus nas beat everything.
Also na
so wala muna chidai. I think beat rate around 3 a.m. na ya somebody.
Okay. But
I had the hook ka voice note. I just pull up my house card. Nobody. Okay. Yeah. That's bad. So ratomo recorda auto A. Recorda 3 a.m. Recorda na mean. Yeah. 12. Almost 12 to 1. Rabarogeda somebody. Yela verse ne yo fiwanga mfetwanga nodula naye. Are e verse I dangerous ya mito. E verse ko doba blind. Ela dagrasa nanda banayo. We didn't even think somebody is going to be
spend out on the EP.
Nera roto robalera 3 a.m.
Yeah.
Robalera hello baby, a song on Perera Robert na Venda in straight.
Because
somebody we didn't count, honestly. I won't lie. And now somebody is the most streamed songs.
Yeah.
All over Kaka Ipulina over 68,000.
There's no one about